Hey guys, and welcome back to Health Click. In this video, I will show you what the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5 is, what it offers, and how it works. So let's get started. So the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E5 is a smart cleaning robot designed to handle both vacuuming and mopping. It can automatically move around your home, avoid obstacles, clean along a planned path, and return to its charging dock when needed. You can also control it through the application. As you can see, it has user-friendly and more convenient use. So it has some suction nozzle, resistance to tangled hair, compact and lightweight, and effortless cleaning. It has 400 milliliter dustbin to avoid frequently emptying the drawer. It has the deep cleaning without forgetting any corners. So basically, multi-dimensional operation, two-side brush, and the maximum fan section of 2000 PA. Also, it has intelligence route planning, so it avoid basically obstacles, doing zigzags, cleaning routes, immediate recall when step is detected. And also, as we said, you can control it with the application. You can order it also via the Mi Home slash Xiaomi app, or order it via Alexa and Google Assistants. So it has user-friendly and more convenient use. And as you can see, the suction nozzle resistant to tangle hair, so it will not be tangled. It's compact and lightweight, as you can see. So the dimension of it is 300 millimeter, and also the height of it is 70 millimeter. It has a large dustbin, as we said, and it's the drawer easy to remove and install, so we don't have to worry. The battery capacity is 2600 milliampere hour per hour, so with a battery life of 110 minutes in standard mode. And also it has the multi-dimensional operation, so it has the side brush, suction nozzle, triple filtration, and basically this is effective filtration, this is resistant to tangled hair, and this is extremely flexible and durable side brush. So any other section here is just more explaining of the features that we just mentioned. And of course, you'll be able to see all the features here in this whole page, as you can see, like the name of it, the dimensions, which is 300 over 70 that we went through. Rated power is 25 watt. The rated voltage is 14.4. The battery capacity, it has the rated capacity and rated power. The weight, which is 2.3. And here you'll find charging station dimensions as well, where you can see how many dimensions. And also, the package contains one main unit, one dust tank, one water tank, two side brushes, one dish cloth, one power adapter, charging station, and cleaning brush and user manual. You'll find a customer review also of that if you want. But of course, if you find just one customer, two customer, this will be just depending on your location where you live. So they'll give you reviews of the location that you are more close to. And if you want to buy it, of course, you can just go and click on buy at the top right, and you will be taken here. So you can just go and choose any color if they have many colors. If they do have one, you'll have to click as example, send me notification if it's not available in stock at the moment. If it's available on stock as example, you can instead click on buy it now. So at the moment, since it's not in stock, you'll have to click on send me notification. But of course, if you click on that, they will ask you to basically create an account or log in into an account if you don't have one, where you will have to do it right here. Basically log in or create an account, and just make sure to do so if you don't have that, so they can send you notification whenever they are available if it's not in stock at the moment. As you can see here, they offer fast delivery, so it will be delivered from 2 to 5 working days. And after sales service, you have 7 days return in exchange if you want to. And they do have this number here if you want to call for live help, as example, or call that. So that's gonna be it for this. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.